Good afternoon, everybody. I wanted to share the last piece that we didn't get to in today's session and really tie together this idea, this whole concept of staying behind the pendulum. So when you look at the methodology that we have here at Sandler, again, not super complicated. Call it steps one and two. These two elements are reoccurring throughout the entire selling process. But here's some of the shifting that's going on. One is obviously we're pulling these prospects with us. But as we dig into pain, and I'm sure we've all talked about pain and asking good consultative questions, we're going to do a deep dive into pain with our prospects, understand the emotional reason as to why they maybe want to make a change, improve their current situation. Here's the first shift in staying behind the pendulum. Let's assume this prospect has a ton of pain, they share it, they're very forthcoming. They are expecting us to move in with, hey, would you like to buy from us? But at Sandler, we don't do that. What we do is we move into this section called budget. The time, the money, and the resources that it's going to take to invest to fix this problem or to get to a better state. So we'll talk about budget. Once again, we've just pushed the prospect behind the pendulum. Now let's assume we've had a great pain and a great budget conversation. They were forthcoming here, giving out a ton of information, telling you that they could invest the money that they're willing, that you're willing to charge them, and they can put the resources to it. Once again, instead of going for the close, we move into what's called the decision step. Who are the players and where do the decisions get made in the organization? So once again, we pull behind the pendulum, slowing down the sale. Now, budget and decision and pain, they could kind of ebb together or squeeze together during conversations. But the key is we're really not pushing for the sale. We are pulling, we're continuously gathering information. And then at the conclusion, once we've got all of this great information, pain, budget, and decision, it's then that we move to the proposal step, which is called fulfillment, a bit misleading. But it's at that point that it becomes a natural finish to the sale. So there's no trick questions. There's no, I only have two of these left, and if you take this today, it'll happen. It's a natural move to let's put together a proposal. Let's see if this makes sense. And also let's develop this proposal together. So the entire methodology at Sandler drives us to remain behind the pendulum. Hopefully that helps round out our conversation from this morning. And as always, if you have questions, certainly reach out. If you're not on my calendar, certainly just shoot an email so we can make sure we have something on the calendar. Have a great day, everyone.